flow potential. Sharing my screen. Okay, visible, Deepak?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. How to communicate trade-offs in interviews. Okay, let's start with the constraints. A strong answer begins with a situation, expected scale, latency goal, consistency need, budget, team size, then delivery time. Okay, then we mention alternatives briefly. Show that you consider more than one option. Okay, then explain why you chose one. Your reasoning such as simpler for current scale, safe operationability, operationally, better cost fit, fast to deliver, easier to evolve later. State what you're sacrificing. Okay, this is where the senior thinking becomes visible. Example, I gain simplicity but give up some future scaling flexibility. I choose caching for latency, but this adds invalidation complexity. I prefer strong consistency here, even though it may reduce availability. Mention future evolution path. Show how the design can change when system grows. Example, for the current expected traffic and team size, I could start with a modular monolith instead of microservices. Yes, this keeps deployment and debugging simpler and reduces operational cost. The trade-off is lower independent scalability per domain. But at this stage, this is acceptable. If payment and delivery domains later needs independent scaling, we can extract them gradually. Fine. So how to communicate trade-offs to stakeholders? Avoid purely technical language. Yeah, stakeholders care about cost, speed, risk, user experience, delivery time. Then frame the decision in impact terms. Explain what improves, what becomes harder, what the business gets, what risk is accepted. Fine. Show options clearly. Option A is cheaper, faster, but less scalable. Option B is more scalable, but more expensive and slower to deliver. Step 4, recommend. Do not just list. Stakeholders need a recommendation, not only raw comparison. Be honest about uncertainty. Some choices are based on current evidence, not certainty about the future. Example, we can add multi-region architecture now, but it will increase cost and complexity significantly. Given the current user base and availability goals, I recommend staying single region with strong backup and recovery fast. How to build a good decision habit. Think in trade-offs, not absolutes. Avoid statements like microservices are always better, caching is always needed, event-driven is best architecture. Okay, ask what the system needs now. Current needs matters more than architectural fashion. Ask what pain will increase over time. Good decisions reduce the biggest likely pain, not every theoretical pain. For explicit reasoning, a clear, imperfect decision is better than vague complexity. Revisit the decisions as context changes. A good design today may become a bad design later if scale, team size, or business goals change. Okay, step by step, real life flow of food delivery. Very good. Okay, a team must decide whether to keep one backend service or split order, payment, BAM, delivery into microservices. Step 1, different current scenario. Team size is small, traffic is moderate, and the product is still evolving. Team size is small, traffic is moderate, and the product is still evolving. Then identify real requirements, need fast delivery of features, clear ownership, reasonable reliability, manageable operations. No immediate need. Extreme scale, many independent platform teams, highly specialized domain scaling. Fine. Then compare the options. A modular monolith, the benefits, simpler deployment, easier debugging, lower operation cost, faster development. Trade-offs, less independent scaling, less service autonomy later. Option B, microservices, benefits, better future independent scaling, domain isolation, better autonomy at large scale. Trade-offs, more deployment complexity, harder testing and debugging, more infra overhead, more operational maturity required. Then match options to constraint. Given current team size and operational maturity and modular monolith fits better. Reserve future evolution. Keep clean module boundaries, explicit contracts between domain, independent data ownership thinking, event integration only where needed later. Okay, fine. Good. Make the decision. Choose modular monolith now. Choose modular monolith now. State accepted trade-offs. Accept that future domain extraction may be needed later, but avoid present over engineering. Fine. Okay, here, Deepak, one doubt I have. Most of
Yes,
the
yes.
most of the places we are talking about team size, teams. Okay, many places team is coming. Okay, but don't you think that is not the problem of the customer? Customer is ready to pay and then he is willing to get some features which I denied earlier, but now he's ready. But I can't complain that I don't have the team. My team size is small, so that means I'm myself putting away the business, right?
Yes, that's fine. But let's say you have a limited team, am I right?
Ah,
And you, based on a team, you need to commit a timeline. You need to commit a, you can say, milestone.
mm, mm,
Okay.
mm,
Based on team, you need to take a decision. Let's say if you have a more, you can say, in a this restaurant, we have a more waiters are there, am I right? And more
mm,
capacity is
mm,
there, and they are skilled, am I
mm,
right?
mm, mm,
Then based on their skill, we can say, hey, we are enough, we are able to deliver. Okay.
mm, mm,
But
mm.
if your team is not capable to do that, and how you can commit the thing?
Ah,
So team is crucial part.
crucial part, agreed. But now that is my problem. That is, I see customer is asking, he's willing to pay. So now I cannot tell him that my team size is small, but somehow I have to see that I have to deliver the goods to him. So the that team size is my internal problem. I have to get my team ready, right?
No,
No.
let's say right now your role is a system architect, am I
Oh,
right?
supermarket. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Oh, sorry.
That
Okay,
that time you are a system architect, right?
okay,
And you are suggesting or you are providing a consultancy. Hey,
okay.
this way you can, if you go with this way, then we can means later point of time we can involve lot of feature and means involve another things as well.
Hmm.
So you can think like architect, don't think like you are a owner of that
Owner.
company.
Ah, okay. So really, role should be very clearly understood here. Okay, okay, okay.
You understand my point?
Ah, okay. So,
Because let's say you will design a system in this manner means and your team is not there.
ah,
So how things will manage?
yeah,
You
yeah.
you
Okay,
cannot manage the things. Right?
okay.
Let's
So,
say you don't have a QA, you have
ah,
only one developer. I mean,
ah.
QA is also an important part of your this
Correct.
program or SDLC. Am I right? So means if it's not there, how you can expect only developer can do everything.
Cannot. Hmm.
You understand? Ma'am?
Okay, okay, okay. No, no. Yeah, I mean, here I got my role mixed. I was thinking like a owner, but no, I have to think like a system architect, not like a owner.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, fine. I got it, Deepak. Thank you. Thank you.
Developer.
Okay, anyway, this one. Fine. Here, what you want? Deepak, okay. Can we, okay, Deepak, for time being, can you just switch off the recording?
Yes, yes.